Alright, that's it. This is the final video for 2022, and it is a video that had the most views during the year. I'm always kind of interested to see which videos do really well. A lot comes down to timing, when things are put out, but I have to admit, this one really surprised me at how well it did, so hopefully you enjoy watching it again. Have a great New Year's, and we'll be back in January with more Ant on the Move content.
Center, a staging and support facility for Base Station Wild Arctic. I can see we have a hearty group of adventurers today, although some of you seem to be lacking in the proper equipment. Shorts and t-shirts are not Arctic gear. Enough said. Education is our mission, and that's why Thomas Purcell founded the center in 1937 as part of his dream of creating a permanent Arctic research station. He theorized that man could survive in this harsh climate to observe and research the fragile Arctic ecology. That dream became a reality with the completion of Base Station Wild Arctic. Today, we will take you on a short jet helicopter ride. Utilizing special whisper and snorkel modes, we will let you see sights seldom seen by the public. Rare Arctic birds, aquatic mammals, and a pristine wilderness of ice. Once on the ground at Base Station Wild Arctic, you will see many of these animals up close, as well as have the opportunity to walk through the Erebus, one of the two 19th century sailing ships that are now trapped permanently in the ice. I would like to remind you that this helicopter ride is not recommended for expectant mothers, anyone with heart, neck, or back problems, or those prone to motion sickness. Please contact the flight crew, and they will arrange to have you fly on a non-motion, gyro-stabilized helicopter. We're going to the first officer now, who has some important information to give you prior to boarding.
Hi everyone, I'm your first officer, Norm Snowman Miller. You'll be soaring the Arctic skies aboard White Thunder with Captain Emerson at the stick. When we kick the jets in on this baby, she'll do 400 miles per hour. But don't worry about safety. Our onboard computer will make sure nothing can possibly go wrong.
Warning, nasty Arctic storm headed for base.
I'm sure it's not that bad.
No, it's bad.
Then I should tell you that in the unlikely event of a water landing, the person seated next to you can be used as a flotation device. And to ensure your safety, I need all of you to follow a few simple instructions. When given the clearance to board, walk quickly across the cabin to the last available seat. Remember to keep your head low when approaching White Thunder, or you'll be sporting a flat top look. To secure your seatbelt, place the metal tab into the slot and place all your carry-on luggage on your lap. Give that seatbelt a tug to make sure it's secure. Remain seated throughout the entire flight. Don't make me come back there. After we land at Base Station Wild Arctic and the doors open, remove your seatbelt and collect all your carry-on luggage. Exit through the open doors. Hey, it sounds like the computer's starting the engines. And even though I'm not flying White Thunder today, I've got a lot of things to do. Important co-pilot stuff. You know, knobs to turn, buttons to push. This is the Snowman. Over and out.
This is Captain Emerson of White Thunder. Come back. No problem. We'll make it to Base Station Wild Arctic before that storm does. This is Captain Emerson. Welcome aboard White Thunder. Base Station Wild Arctic. Should be a short, comfortable flight, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenery. I heard a caribou. Looks like they're going in our direction. These sensors detecting what appears to be polar bear activity. We're racing an Arctic storm, but I think we have time to take a little side trip. I'll set our rotors to whisper mode so we can get in close. Oh, look at that. A mother and her cubs. Let's leave them be. We're in luck. There's more animal activity on the other side of this glacier. If we hurry, we can take a look. Hang Hang on.
300 feet, 200 feet, 100 feet.
White Thunder to base. We're dropping underwater.
Water entry complete.
That narwhal almost came in for a visit.
Storm warning.
Looks like that storm has picked up. We better get going.
Flying mode restored.
Don't want to scare those walrus. I have a warning indicator light flashing. Folks, we're sitting down on this glacier and I'm shutting down until I check it out. Oh no. Oh no, the edge of this glacier. Won't start it. It's on. And pull us out of this. That was close.
Storm alert. Storm alert.
That storm front is trying to cut us off at the pass, taking an emergency route.
Warning. Overheating. Warning.
Computer's out. We're on our own. We'll avoid these high winds by taking a path through this chasm. Hang on. It's an avalanche. Brace yourselves. We made it. This is White Thunder. And we're all looking forward to solid ground. We're coming in. This is Captain Emerson thanking you for flying White Thunder. I hope you all have a great time exploring Base Station Wild Arctic. Till next time, over and out.
Please wait until the doors open before disconnecting your seatbelts.